If you want to be a fearless and fluent speaker, you need to practice these special questions and answers every day. Lovely students, if you keep on doing this practice, hopefully you can be a very good speaker of English. So, all the best. Enjoy this practice session of conversation. What's your good name?
Well, my name is Priyanka Dash.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Okay, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Do you like music?
Obviously, I like it very much.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Tomlu.
What is the weather like today?
Well, it's warm and sunny today.
Okay, what do you do for fun?
I love to go to shopping for fun.
Do you have any sibling?
No.
Okay, and what is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is dog.
Dog. Okay, very good. And what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 a.m.
Okay. Well, now tell me, what's your favorite season?
Well, my favorite season is spring.
Okay. And what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
And what's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Chichore.
Okay. Now tell me, do you like sports?
Yes, obviously I like hide and seek.
Do you have any love for outdoor game like football, like cricket?
Yes, I have. I love to play cricket.
You love to play cricket. Okay, very good. And do you have any love for indoor games like Ludo, Carom, chess?
Yes, I love to play Ludo and Caroms.
Ludo and Carom. Okay. How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
Okay. And what's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Very good. Okay, name some of the fruits of your likings.
Just like apples, mango, lychee and star apple.
Okay, very good. Okay, can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little.
Okay. And do you have any pet in your family?
Yes, I have a dog.
You have a dog. Okay, very good. What is his name?
His name is Goldie.
Goldie. Very good. Okay. Okay. How many members are there in your family?
Well, we are 4.
What about your father?
My father is a doctor.
Okay, very good. May I have the pleasure to know his name?
Yes, he is Sunil Kumar Dash.
May I know about your mother?
Yes, she is a housewife and side by side she running a private school.
Okay, what is her name?
Her name is Archana Dash.
Okay, very good. Okay, young girl, what's your hobby?
Well, my hobby is gardening.
Very good. And can you ride a bike?
No, I can ride a scooty.
Okay, you have a scooty.
Yes.
Which brand?
It's a Dio. I think
Dio.
it's from Honda.
Honda
Yes.
Dio. Okay, very good. Okay. Well, apart from education, is there anything that you are interested in?
Yes, I love to create some creative videos.
Creative videos. So that's your hobby.
Yes.
So if I ask you what's your hobby?
That's
To make
my
creative videos.
Yes, creative videos, but I also love gardening.
You also love gardening. Okay, very good. Okay, young girl, can you tell me what is your favorite song?
Well, it's Carrier from Chichure.
Okay. And what is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is the Sharma Show.
Okay. And your favorite book?
My favorite book is Rich Dad and Poor Dad.
What is your favorite place to go?
Well, I love to go to restaurant.
Okay. And do you love ice cream?
Yes, I love butterscotch ice cream.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling very much.
What do you want to be in future?
I want to be a teacher.
Teacher. Okay. Teacher is an ideal profession.
Yes.
Okay. Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw natural sceneries.
Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook.
What's your favorite type of music?
I especially love melody songs.
Which type of dish you can prepare properly?
I can prepare spicy dish.
Like any
Like-
mutton, chicken?
No, I don't like mutton. I like chicken.
You
just
like
chili chicken
Okay.
and biryani, just like that.
Okay. And what's your favorite food?
My favorite food is biryani.
Biryani. Okay. Gentle lady, tell me, what is your favorite cartoon character?
Well, my favorite cartoon character is Gopal Bhaad.
And what is your favorite bedtime story?
My favorite bedtime story is Thakumar Jhuli.
Okay. And what is your favorite dessert?
I love to eat ice cream in dessert.
What do you like to do in weekends?
In weekends, I love to go to the park.
What is your favorite thing to do in summer?
In summer, I love to eat ice cream, and also I love to go to Digha for sea bathing.
Okay. What is your favorite time of the day?
Well, it's afternoon because in the afternoon I love to go to play with my friends.
Okay. What's your favorite summer drinks?
It's mango juice.
Mango juice.
Yes.
What is your favorite holiday?
It's puja vacation.
What's your favorite bedtime story?
Well, it's Thakumar Jhuli.
Okay. What kind of biryani you prefer?
I prefer specially chicken biryani.
What type of shoe you wear?
I love wearing heels.
What is your favorite drink?
Well, I love to drink cold drinks just like Pepsi, Coca-Cola, Fruity.
Among them, which one is your favorite?
It's thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Okay. Well, what's your favorite thing to do before bedtime?
I love to read storybooks before sleeping.
What is your favorite fruit to eat in the morning?
Well, in the morning I like to eat apples and bananas.
What is your usual breakfast menu?
Usually I take tea
Tea?
or coffee.
And with bread toast or not?
No,
No egg toast.
just with biscuits.
With biscuits, you love to take either tea or coffee. Okay. Do you like to go to school?
Yes, I like to go to school.
Do you have any favorite movie character?
Yes, it's Munni from Bajrangi Bhaijaan.
Do you just like any favorite cartoon character?
Yes, it's Gopal Bhaad.
Do you love vegetables?
Some vegetables are okay, just like carrots, cabbage, and cauliflower.
Okay. Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I love to drench in rain.
Okay. Do you have any favorite toy?
Yes, it's teddy bear.
Do you have a superhero?
Yes, it's my father. And apart from this, I love Spider-Man.
So in real life, it's your father.
Yes.
And in real life, you love Spider-Man as your superhero.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Do you have any love for playing with toys?
Yes, obviously, I love to play with my teddy bear.
You just love to play with your teddy bear. Okay. Do you like to go to the zoo?
Yes, I love to go to the zoo. Especially, I go to Alipur Zoo.
Alipur Zoo. Okay, very good. Okay. Do you like to read books?
Yes, I especially love to read storybooks.
Do you like to help your parents?
Obviously.
Okay. Okay. Do you like to color pictures?
Yes, I love to draw pictures. I mean color pictures with crayons.
Okay, very good. Do you like to ride on a bicycle?
Yes, I love to ride bicycle.
Okay. Well, do you like to watch stars at night?
Yes, obviously.
Do you like to watch birds in the sky?
Yes, that's why I love to visit zoo.
Okay. Do you like to draw picture of animals?
No, I love to draw sceneries.
Scenery, natural
Natural sceneries.
Okay. Do you like to make crafts?
Yes, I love enjoy making crafts.
Do you like to help cook dinner?
Yes, I love helping in the kitchen.
Do you love to go to cinema hall to enjoy movie?
Yes, obviously, but sometimes.
Sometimes, not always. এই ছিল তোমাদের জন্য কোয়েশ্চেন আনসার প্র্যাকটিস। অর্থাৎ এই কোয়েশ্চেন আনসারগুলো যদি তুমি রেগুলার প্র্যাকটিস করো তুমি কিন্তু স্পোকেন ইংলিশের ক্ষেত্রে ভালোভাবে কনভারসেশন করতে হবে। তাহলে কনভারসেশনের ওয়ার্ল্ডে যেতে গেলে যে স্টিয়ার্সগুলো, যে সিঁড়িগুলো তোমাকে ভেঙে পর উঠতে হবে, সেগুলো কিন্তু কোয়েশ্চেন আনসার রাউন্ড। আর এটা ছিল বেসিক কোয়েশ্চেন আনসার রাউন্ড ফর জুনিয়র্স অর সিনিয়র্স, সবার জন্য প্রথম স্টেপ। সেকেন্ড স্টেপ কিন্তু পরবর্তী আমরা এপিসোডে আনবো। ধন্যবাদ।